If you're seeing this video, the universe brought it to you. Continue to be vigilant. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have more money than others? Imagine if there was a little-known secret to producing money. Let's look at the mysterious and rarely spoken part of finance, the hidden realm of money. You might believe it's all about landing a profitable job or being born into wealth. But there's more to it. The essential secret is to recognize that money is more than coins and bills. It is an energy form. Yes, energy. Consider money to be a flowing stream that changes direction and nurtures everything in its course. You must be wondering how this energy works and how you may harness it to bring prosperity and success into your life. This is the most important question, and the answer is what we are here to find. Consider money to be more than just physical currency. It is also a dynamic energy. This thought is pretty intriguing. Money as dynamic energy. Money as energy is a long-standing concept. In reality, the term currency comes from the Latin si, which means to run or flow. Money is sometimes compared to energy since it acts similarly. It is not created or destroyed, but rather transformed. It moves from person to person, from one account to another, and is always active and circulating. However, money's vitality is more than just financial. It is also emotional. Consider how you feel when you receive your income or find some cash unexpectedly. Delighted, excited, and relieved. This is the emotional power of money. Simply said, your emotional power is your support for our channel, so subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you. Here's the interesting part. Just like any other energy, our interaction with money affects our ability to attract it. The energy you send out into the world is the energy you get. When you treat money with gratitude, happiness, and respect, you are more likely to attract it into your life. In contrast, if you identify money with negativity, stress, or shortage, you will emit that energy and attract it. It's a cycle. Your money-related emotions and thoughts, as well as your energy toward it, shape your financial existence. It's not just about working harder or smarter to earn more money. It's also about changing your energy, thinking, and perspective on money. It acknowledges that money is more than just a material commodity. It is a sort of energy that can be attracted, channeled, and controlled. Money's energy can be compared to a garden. A garden demands attention and care to develop, and so does your financial well-being. Consider spreading seeds of positive money-related ideas and activities. Cultivate them with care, patience, and consistency, and watch them mature into a happy financial future. This strategy changes how we engage with money on a regular basis. Understanding the energy of money entails noticing its flow in our life. It's critical to strike a balance between spending carefully, saving diligently, and investing thoughtfully. Each financial decision is like adjusting the sails of a boat, directing you across the waves of economic stability and growth. When your financial habits match with the natural flow of money's energy, you get access to fresh opportunities and prosperity. Furthermore, educating oneself about financial management and investing methods is critical. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true in finance. Equip yourself with the knowledge and tools you need to make sound decisions. This knowledge, along with a good attitude, forms a powerful combination that can lead to financial success. The law of attraction demonstrates a simple yet fundamental principle. What we focus on attracts. When you have a favorable attitude regarding money, it naturally gravitates toward you. Let's go a little more into this concept. Understand that the law of attraction is not a magical charm that creates money from nothing. It is primarily about how our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors interact. Imagine it as a mirror that reflects our inner images. If you give out negative vibrations, you are more likely to experience unfavorable scenarios. However, emit a pleasant aura, particularly regarding finances, and you will attract favorable monetary situations. It's more about mindset than magic. Our attitude toward money is quite important. View it as a rare commodity, and it will elude you. When viewed as an abundant, free-flowing creature, it appears to enthusiastically approach you. This isn't about disregarding financial difficulties. It's about shifting our perspective to create new chances. Consider this. If you accept financial hardship, your decisions will most likely reinforce that view. You may be afraid of taking risks, passing up opportunities, and failing to invest in your own development. On the other hand, if you believe in your financial prosperity, your decisions will reflect that attitude. You'll be more likely to see opportunities, take sensible risks, and engage in your own development. The law of attraction does not apply in a vacuum. It is a component of a larger plan that requires action and commitment. You can't simply imagine money and wait for it to appear. However, you may cultivate a mindset that recognizes the possibility for riches in your life and then acts accordingly. This law is about aligning your ideas and actions with your financial goals. It is about believing in your ability to earn riches and taking action to accomplish it. Visualization is a powerful tool for influencing your reality. So changing your financial outlook starts there. Imagine yourself in your ideal financial situation, whether it's debt-free, owning your dream home, or having enough money to vacation. Visualization trains your subconscious to see them as achievable goals rather than just fantasies. Then there are affirmations. These are encouraging mantras you repeat to overcome negative thoughts and self-doubt about money. Affirmations might help you have a more hopeful mindset. Try affirming, "I attract wealth effortlessly," or "Prosperity flows to me in abundance." Make these affirmations personal, empowering, and written in the present tense. Forget about the past and focus on the present and future. Having gratitude and being content with whatever you have, no matter how little, can draw in additional abundance. Although it can be easy to focus on your shortcomings, remembering your blessings will change your perspective and attract more of what you are looking for. Recall that the powerful energy that thankfulness generates can change your frequency from one of scarcity to one of abundance. The process of changing your mindset about money takes time, patience, and consistent practice. By practicing gratitude, affirmations, and visualization, you create the conditions for a life-changing financial journey. Another important stage in your financial path is to incorporate mindfulness. Being mindful entails paying close attention to everything going on in the present, including your spending patterns. By assisting you in making deliberate financial decisions, mindfulness enables you to match your actions to your objectives. It's about taking charge of your financial path, being aware of the consequences of every decision you make, and avoiding careless spending. Setting specific financial goals is another thing to think about. You gain meaning and focus from having goals. They could be long-term, such as creating a retirement fund, or short-term, such as saving for a trip. Setting measurable objectives might inspire you to match your deeds with your ambitions. Make a plan, put your goals in writing, and monitor your advancement. Observing your progress toward your objectives can be highly inspiring and in line with the law of attraction. Making connections and surrounding yourself with people who share your values can also be quite important. Talk to others who have previously attained your financial goals or who share them. This may offer you insightful information, motivation, and opportunity. Your own financial path can be guided, and common mistakes can be avoided by taking lessons from the triumphs and failures of others. Learning about money matters is also essential. Power comes from knowledge, particularly when it comes to handling money. Go to seminars, read books, or enroll in financial literacy courses. Making informed judgments is made possible by having a solid understanding of several financial concepts, such as budgeting, investing, and saving. This self-training helps you spot and take advantage of money possibilities, which is in line with the law of attraction. Resilience training is essential. Financial journeys are rarely easy. Obstacles and setbacks are inevitable. But it's crucial to see these as teaching moments rather than failures. Resilience is the ability to recover from financial failures with a more powerful and knowledgeable strategy. It entails picking up from errors and refusing to let them dictate your future financial situation. Equilibrium is crucial. Although concentrating on financial objectives is crucial, don't allow it take precedence over other facets of your life. Strike a balance between your pursuit of wealth and other life goals, relationships, and your own well-being. After all, having a happy, balanced life is just as important to true riches as having a lot of money. This all-encompassing strategy works hand in hand with the law of attraction to create a life that is rich in all respects, not just financially. In conclusion, it's critical to understand that changing your perspective can significantly improve your financial situation. Energy is what money is fundamentally made of. You begin to attract more wealth when you see it as an important instrument that helps you achieve your goals. Thus, now is the time to take action. Decide what your financial goals are. Believe that you can create wealth and value what you already have. If you shift your perspective, attracting wealth comes easily. It's also critical to incorporate these ideas into your daily activities. Living by the law of attraction on a daily basis is a different matter entirely from knowing it conceptually. Start by paying attention to your financial thoughts. Do they represent abundance and confidence, or are they based on fear and scarcity? Remember that having money isn't always a bad thing, or the only way to be happy. It's a type of energy that reflects your inner beliefs and mindset. The first step to a richer life is changing these mental patterns. In addition, this newfound perspective is consistent with sensible practices like investing, budgeting, and frugal spending. Lastly, to put theory into practice, keep in mind that achieving financial plenty is a journey rather than a destination. It has to do with ongoing development, education, and adaptation. Keep an open mind to new options, be willing to adjust when your circumstances change, and maintain your curiosity in financial techniques. You retain and grow wealth in addition to drawing it in by adopting this growth and flexibility-oriented mindset. The road to financial independence is a never-ending one, and every step you take toward your objectives is aided by a constructive outlook and sensible action. Think our video was helpful? Please feel free to express and think below.